Do I need to be in ketosis to promote fat loss? There are many ways in which fat loss can happen. The way to look at ketosis is as an accelerator or accelerant path that helps expedite the process. By changing the fuel that your body primarily uses from carbohydrates and glucose to fat and ketones, you are priming your body to burn fat. If you are stuck in a weight plateau, some easy tips to implement are: 1, move more. Even simply going on more walks throughout the day can help. The second thing is bump up your protein. By filling up on protein instead of carbs or even fats, you can actually help your metabolism. And the third is make sure you are optimizing your sleep and recovery. While it's important to push ourselves, it's just as important to help our bodies recover.